Artoonza.
Hey there, sky-high artists! Did you know the number 4 is secretly a kite waiting to soar? Today, we're mixing glittery heart magic with paint dropper rainbow colors. Orange, light blue, light green, and red. Give us your like. We're even using a tiny vacuum because things are about to get seriously sparkly. And yes, we're using paint droppers because regular painting is too boring for us. So grab your markers, glitter, and brushes. Get ready to transform a simple 4 into the most magnificent kite ever. One that might fly right off your paper. Let's soar. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time for the magic paint drops. We're dropping orange, light green, light blue, and red, like we're creating a rainbow explosion.
Wow.
It's like a color party on paper. Let's start with light blue because it reminds us of the sky where our kite will fly. Give us a big thumbs up. We're spreading this drop like we're painting actual clouds. Look at it go. Our brush is basically a tiny magic wand right now. Now for the red. This is the spicy color that makes our kite pop. We're brushing it on like we're the most professional kite painters in the universe. Chef's kiss.
Aww, so cute.
Light green time! This color is so fresh, it makes our kite look like it's ready for spring. We're spreading it smooth and fancy because we're not just artists. We're kite fashion designers now. Finally, orange, the grand finale color that ties everything together. Our kite is complete and looking absolutely spectacular. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.